All right, so I want to do a quick video on how to fix the Elementor 500 server error. So if I go here and need to make a change here on this web page, I click update, I'm getting this server error 500 error. So what I need to do is just come over here to just go to your control panel, cPanel file manager, and then I'll go to public, and then I want to come down here to the wp-config file, and then we'll just edit. All right, and then it's going to pull up the file here. So what we want to do is we want to come down and we want to update the actual file limit on the site. And then I'm going to copy, I have the code here. I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste the line of code here. And then we'll just hit save changes, and then the config is saved. So now if we come back here to Elementor, and we want to do a quick refresh real quick. And we'll give it a second. Okay, now the page is refreshed, and then we want to come in here, and then I should be able to make my change. So I'm going to fix this typo here, click update. And there we go, update is made. There's no internal error here, and should be good to go. There's also another way to do this too. If you don't have access to your cPanel, we'll just go here. So I have this plugin here called WordPress File Manager. All you have to do is just go in here to your plugins, add new, and then just do a search for File Manager. And then this is the one here. You just install now, and that will add it there as well. So I can come here to the WordPress File Manager or WP File Manager here, and then I can come down and find that same config file, do the same thing, and then we can just edit the code editor here. We'll pull it up, come down, see the code that I added is here. You can just copy and paste it here. Click save, and that will update it as well. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below, and thank you for watching.